Hello everyone! Today we are invited to one of our Amiga's wedding anniversary and we are going to celebrate it in Lucky One Mall here in Karachi. And I am now sitting inside of the rickshaw. The driver asked me 200 rupees, and this place is 1.5 kilometers or 1 kilometers from our place. So here I am. Welcome to Lucky One Mall. So let us go guys, or let's go with me and I'll gonna show you whatever the activities that we are going to do inside of this mall. So thanks God I have reached safely, and let's get inside. Here we are, Lucky One Mall. Lucky One Mall is one of the biggest mall here in Karachi city. So here we are in the entrance and I have to scan my phone. So I am here now in the mall. I am going to search them. I think they are in the food court already. So I will meet them up there. Right? See you guys. I'm going to use the elevator. It's a little bit people here, not much, maybe because it's weekend, right? So there's no much people, or maybe because of the time. This is just 2:30 p.m. Later around 5 or 6 people are coming out from their house for shopping. I'm just very careful with the face of the people. Yeah, you might object. So here I'm now in the second floor again, and I'll go to food court. So let's go to food court. Oh, I forgot. It's in so malapit na ako sa food court. So ito na. I'm here in the food court. Let's find them. See, marami na ring tao kahit maaga pa. It's lunchtime here actually. So, yan. Marami na ring tao. So, let's see. Find them. They said we will meet up at KFC. So, where is KFC? It's here. KFC is here. So, I'm going there. KFC. Where are they? Hello, Kiran! Ayan, yan na naman, oh, yan, oh. Nagagalit na yan, kasi gutom na. Ayan, na-meet up ko na sila, oh. Ngiti-ngiti mo na dyan, mga ganda.
Yung may celebrant andito.
Oo nga, yan yung may celebrant, oh. Diba, yan ang bossing namin ngayon. Yung isang bata, oh, gutom na. Hindi na nakapagantay. Ayan. Again. Annie, tingnan ka dito. Hello. Ayan. Ayan, panoorin nyo kami hanggang sa uli, ha? Ayan guys, ito na yung pagkain namin. KFC, burger, and chickens. Ayan. Nasaan na si Kiran? Ayan. So, yun yung place. Yung mga batang magaganda. May rice nga. Akala ko walang rice. Yan guys. May rice nga. Hello Kiran! Hindi ka nagalit?
Mamaya pag nakakain Kain na ako.
Oh, nakangiti na yan. Gutom na talaga yan. Promise. Ayan, may rice kami. Kain na kami. Kain na na. Ayan o, tingnan mo yung dalawang yan. Nag-aagawan pa talaga sila ha. Nag-aagawan pa sila. Ano ba yan? Sa legs. Mahilig talaga sa legs. Kumakain ako, nagbablog ako. Ayan, kain na tayo. So, diba, sarap?
Dapat na ganyan tayo. Bawal at tumawa penalty.
Bawal na ka na, bawal na.
Bawal. Bakit ganyan ganyan?
Oh.
Ang sarap pakinggan. Natipagano natin.
Yo, seryoso. Seryosohan yung usapan. Tapos biglang ano, biglang...
Sa kay Lucia na seryoso na tayo. Bigla naman yung isa na
biglang sa namatay na punta. Tapos biglang nabuhay. Ano yan?
Tanungin niyo yung vlogger kung ano baon niya galing. Galing sa mall, di ba? Libre na kami, may coffee na, may baon pa yan. Tanungin yung vlogger.
Ano ba? Kita ka ba?
Kitang-kita. Pakita mo nga yung baon mo. Saan yung baon mo?
Ayan ha. Kami, hindi lang sa bahay yung baunan. Hanggang dito may balutan pa. So, tingnan nyo. Kanya-kanyang balutan yan. Ayan o. Ayan o, may mga balot yan. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi lang yan pang bahay. Hanggang sa restaurant may balot yan mga... Ayan o.
Ito sa kanya, oh. Yun sa akin, oh. Ayun sa akin, oh.
Ayan. Ayan o, tingnan nyo.
Ito sa kanya, oh.
Ito sa akin, ito yung carpet. Ito yung sa bossing namin. Akala nyo sa bahay lang may balutan? Nako, legit yan. May balutan hanggang restaurant. Ayan, di ba? Ang saya.
Konti lang to sa loob, ah. Konti lang to.
Ang kay Eni talagang ano, talagang so, ayan. Nasusunod kina Eni naman kami.
Before.
After, siguro after na, malapit na.
Sige, libre sa baka, libre sa baka.
So ayan, magdadala kami ng kambing. Yan, yan yung mga babaunin namin, yung mga babalutin namin galing kina Amy. See you there, guys. Uwian na. Ayan, dami ng tao kasi 6 o'clock na. Sobrang ang dami ng tao. Ayan na, guys. Time to go home. Ayan, may dala-dala na akong tubig na pinalot. Maghahanap kami ng kape.
Kakapi naman kami.
Oo, maghahanap kami ng kape.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.